Hey everyone, let's talk about the portfolio project worksheet and the components of it that are due over the course of the semester. So this project is what's called a scaffolded project, which means we have different pieces that sort of help us step up to the overall final project. Kind of like scaffolding is a structure that ultimately helps you build something. That's what this project is designed to do. So we start out with two worksheets, media literacy worksheet and a data literacy worksheet. And the reason for those is they're going to give you the skills you need to help you gather the components of your portfolio later. So you're going to learn a little bit about media literacy and a little bit about data literacy and complete two worksheets on Blackboard that show that you've done that learning that you needed to do and help you identify areas where maybe you want to go back and sort of dig into more detail in the materials I give you to help you learn about media and data literacy. So after those two, we get the first component of the final project. So we've laid the groundwork with some skills, and now you need to pick the topic for the final project. So what you'll do is you'll pick a topic off a list that I provide, and you will submit on Blackboard the topic that you've picked and just a couple sentences telling me why that's interesting to you, why you picked it, right? So that's that proposal there, and that will then be the topic you're going to work with. So make sure you take some time to think, what's actually interesting to me? And that's why I ask you to tell me what's interesting about it, why you want to do that topic, so that you've really definitely thought about it, so the thing you're working with isn't something you end up hating. Now, after that, you have the first component where you're really going to be writing stuff. So the portfolio is comprised of 4 pieces, and we'll talk about that in another video. But each of those 4 pieces has to be either collected or made. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to collect one of those pieces. So you're going to find a popular press article. That means something from the news media. And you are going to tell me about it. And that article obviously is going to have to do with your topic. And each component of your portfolio is going to have a caption, which basically tells me, where did you find that article? What's the context for it? And then a reflection. So you've told me what the thing is, now tell me why you picked it. What's so important about it? How is it relevant to your topic? How's it relevant to this class? And you're going to submit that first article that you found, its caption, and a reflection before you submit your final project. So then I can give you feedback on it, and you can adjust things as needed, or potentially not need to adjust anything, and that's the first part of your portfolio, all done. Then we do have nothing else until the final portfolio is due. In the final portfolio, you have that first article that you've already given to me and I've already given you feedback on. And then you're going to have another thing exactly like that, different article, caption, reflection. And then you're going to have 2 more components that are slightly different. And then a sort of final overall reflection paper. And that will all get handed in at the end of the semester. So if you want to learn more about the different components, you can check out the assignment sheet and the other videos.